Listen to this.
Can you go ahead and delete that version of me that you got stuck in your head? Sweetheart, go ahead and delete that version of me that you got stuck in your head, baby, because guess what? That person is expired. Hello, somebody. That is no longer me, love. Understand that if you talk to me crazy, if you come at me sideways, if you cross me in any type of way, shape or form, baby, I want you to understand that, yep, you're one and done. That individual that used to give people multiple chances, I don't do that no more. Used to settle for the bare minimum, I don't do that anymore. Used to let folk do and say and move however they want to move just because I wanted to get along and didn't want to upset nobody. Oh, baby, that version of me, oh, that version is expired. That's right. Understand that I'm going to check you right there where you stand. I'm going to address you right there where the disrespect happened at. You go low, I'm going all the way to hell. Hello, somebody. I want you to understand that old broken version of me that wouldn't speak up. Oh, baby, that person is expired. She no longer live here. I'm going to get you right where you stand at.